Hi, welcome to Artificial Intelligence for All. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate any image at all for any content use or for any branding. Look at these images. You have seen these images flying around the social media and you have been thinking, how did they create this? So stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to teach you how to create these images in simple steps. So I created this for a brand, Coffnits, and I needed one for myself. So I generated this image and used it to make this graphic design using Canva, which is pretty easy to use. So let's get at it. First, we are going to use different tools. So I'm starting with ClipDrop. So let me open the ClipDrop. I'm going to link up all the tools here. I'm going to link up everything, so you don't need to bother, you don't need to worry. So I'm right now inside ClipDrop. So I'm going to copy my prompt. Prompting is everything. I'm going to copy my prompt. I would explain how to prompt. I'm going to copy my prompt. I already wrote them down. Prompt is just what you want to do, expressing what you want, the image you want, expressing it in a way that is clear, precise, and easy for the AI to understand. I'm going to share all this prompt as well so you can try it out for yourself. So I'll copy this prompt from my notepad. Then I'll go back to ClipDrop and paste it right inside ClipDrop. So I've pasted now. So I wait, then I click generate. Now you will notice that when I click generate, I have this, upgrade to pro. ClipDrop has stopped making it free, but it's a very good tool. So if you have the finances, you can go ahead and pay for the pro version you enjoy. So let me use another software, another tool, which is IDEOGRAM. Don't worry, you don't need to rush. I will link up all these tools. So this is IDEOGRAM rather, sorry. So these are the trending generated images on IDEOGRAM. Now those are the trending ones. So this is my own generated images. You can see my gallery here. So I've generated a lot of images. I'm going to share how I did all this. So stick around to the end of the video. So let's just go back. Then I would be moving on to use the same prompt we used at ClipDrop that we couldn't generate any image. Then I'm going to use it the same prompt here on IDEOGRAM. So stick around, just stay with me. So now you can see these are a couple of images that people have generated over time. So you can get ideas from what other people have generated. The prompts will be there. Like this particular image is so lovely, the prompt is there. You can just copy that prompt, edit it to your taste or to what you are envisioning. Once you can imagine anything, see, that's the beauty of it. You can create anything, any image at all. You don't need to go look for stock images or pay for stock images. AI has made that possible. Generative AI, to be specific. Let's go straight to work. So I'm going to use the same prompt that I used earlier on ClipDrop. So I'm going to copy my prompt. I've done that. I'll paste it right here. And there are a couple of settings that you can do on IDEOGRAM to give the AI tool more context. Like now I'm going to click, I want it to be a picture. That's a photo. Don't worry about the prompt. I'm going to share the prompt later in the video. I'm going to share the prompt with you so you can copy and create for yourself. So I'm going to click photos. Okay, what else do I need? I want it to be rendered in 3D. Then what else? Let me make it cinematic. Then let me see all. So you can click see all to see all the dimensions that you can apply or that you can use. So let's move on. Conceptual art, I can still add that up. That's what I want to. I have clicked it, so it's generating. We are on 10%. Just stick around. It's going to pop up now. In less than 5 seconds, you have your pictures. Wow, yes, our pictures are almost here. So I don't really like this. So there's always 4. Yes, I love this. There's always 4 different versions of your prompt. So now for the best result, the tool right now for the best result is Microsoft Bing. So let's go out of here. Then I'm going to enter my Apple Store. Then if you are using Android, just go to your Play Store. I would now look for the software Bing. So I'm going to type Bing, B-I-N-G. So when I type Bing, we are going to try and download the app now. So coming up, yes. So as you can see now, we can even use it with ChatGPT 4, but I will make it. Let me know if you want me to make a separate video on how to use it with ChatGPT 4 in the comment section. Right now, I'm not going to download the Microsoft Edge. I'm going to download the Bing. Now, as you can see in front of the app, I already have it. That's why it's not bringing download right now. So I'm going to open. So on your own phone, you are going to have to download. Let me know if you struggle with registering or any other challenge you have. Then I can make a separate video to teach you how to go about registering. I think it's pretty easy. You just have to get a Microsoft account, and it's totally free. Easy. You can even use your email address to register. So right now on Bing, now we are in the Bing app. You can see that there's a lot of things that you can do with the Bing app, from your weather, from translation, from conversion, from doing mathematical calculations. There's a lot, but that's not why we are here. So let's quickly dive back to why we are here. Then when you scroll down, just look for the one that has image creator. That's what you click on, image creator. Now I've clicked on image creator. Now it brings me here. If you notice at my extreme right, you have a golden yellow kind of lightning. So there's a golden yellow lightning showing me 42. That means I have just 42 prompts to use for the day. I can only generate 42 times for today. Now you don't have, that does not have to restrict your creativity. You can do a lot of other things that would make them give you bonuses. They are bonuses. So maybe if you read any news, they'll give you bonus. So let's just go back to our prompting now. The same prompt I used on ideogram, don't forget, is the same one I'm going to use here. Then you will see the difference in the images that it's going to create. You see the difference. So now I'm going to just edit it a little. Then I'm going to click create. I'm going to click create. Now it's creating. Yeah, just give it a sec. Just give it a sec. It's creating right now. So while you wait, you can just scroll and check what other people have created. In fact, there are prompts that's going to show on everything created. That way, it gives you an idea on how that thing is done. Yeah, our pictures are here. So you get 4. Like I said, you get 4 great images per prompt. So now I think I love this. I'm going to save this. So I'll click it in the middle. I'll hold it down, then click save. You see, save to pictures, saved. So I don't really like this. Let's go on to the other one. Yes, I think I like this. I would hold it down and click save to photo. So I have them in my gallery. So let's go and check. I should have them in my gallery now. All right. Can you see the 2 are already in my gallery? This one and the other one. So I created all this also. And now, did you imagine? Look at the sharpness of the image. There's crisps. The images are so crisp. So this is very, very easy to use. Very easy. So let me delete this prompt. Then let's do one more example. Now, this one more example, let me go back to my notebook. So I have that other prompt, the first one, that number 1. I'll share the prompt, don't worry. Yes, I need to note, this particular prompt was not created by me. It was created by Elijah Otto. I took the prompt from him and just adjusted it a little. So that's just it. You can check him out on Facebook. I'll share about him later in the video. So, all right, let's go on. I've copied that prompt. Then I'll bring it back to my Bing image. Then I click it down, copy, paste. So now I can re-edit, I can tweak. So you can take your time to be creative about this. It doesn't have to be that you're afraid. Just let your imagination go wild. Just let it go wild. So that is that. Then you can create anything. Please don't restrict. You have no restriction in your mind. Don't even have any restriction in your mind. So all right, let me click create. So let's create. Let's see what we have. If you remember, I told you about that golden yellow at my right hand corner of the screen. Now it has reduced to 41. It was 42 when I came on board. That means I have 41 creations left for the day. Of course, I can increase this. This creation. So I'm editing this to add a goat to the conversation. So let's see what it pops up with. I just want to edit it a little to add a goat to the conversation. So I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing the video so that you can see what I'm doing clearly. Then, of course, I'll share the prompt like I've said earlier. So let us tweak it a little and boom, let's see what we have. So please, you can use this for anything at all. I'm going to share. Please stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to share some other creative ways where you can learn this better and how you can use it for other things apart from just generating funny images like I've shared earlier. So let me edit this, making presentation. So I think I'm fine. Like this. So let me click create, guys. All right, we are creating. Yes, so let's wait, creating, and boom, here we have it. As you can see, we have 4 different images. So let's check them out. Just click on the image, any of the image, then you swipe just to check the other ones. Then you can tweak. See where it puts our goat. No, this is not a good representation of what I wanted, but this is so perfect. You can even see the woman crossing her leg. Oh, I called woman, so saved as well. So now if you check, these images are crisp and detailed. So the chickens are having a meeting. They are discussing how they would evade the massacre that is coming up on Christmas Day. All right, that's on a lighter mode. Let's go back to our generations. So all these generations right now makes so much sense. So let us move on. So one thing is you can scroll to what other people have generated to get their prompt. So these are my own generations. These are what I've generated over time. So now let me take you to Cowrywise. Now on Cowrywise, you can learn how to do these things even on a higher level, on a deeper scale. This is a course I'm taking, Introduction to Generative AI. It's a free course launched by Google Cloud. It's free, so you just have to pay. You just have to push for a grant. So now I've not come to class for a while now, so I have to reset my deadline. What it means is that you don't have a time limit. You can create time to go do the class yourself at any given time, and you get certification for it. So let us move out of this. Now let me show you some other things I've created. Because of time, I don't want to be going about, so let me just scroll through all other creations I've done just for this particular video. The details in the images are so amazing. The details are so amazing. That's what caught my attention the most. Very detailed, not pixelated kind of images. Crisp. Good. So these are all the images. If you zoom them in, you see all the details. Everything is well detailed. So for now, Bing Image is the best for this thing. We have other ones. Amazon just released their own. It's called Amazon Titan, and I've not checked them out yet. I just registered, so we checked it out. So on Facebook, this is the guy I told you about, Elijah Author. This guy is massively sharing knowledge. Just following him. In fact, me sharing him alone is enough for you to learn. So he shares a lot of images and their prompts. So go check him out. Then there's one more person, a doctor that uses AI to make a lot of creative content. So if you're a content creator, this Dr. Ifunanya is so great. Any image you see on our wall on Facebook is created by AI image, and she uses that to captivate our audience. She uses that to pass a message, and there's no limit to what you can do, guys. There's no limit to what you can do. So you just take your time, learn. So but let me know if you need any help in the comment section. So let me know. I'll be willing to help, and let me know what you have learned. So I'll be looking forward to your creations. Catch you guys in the next video. Thumbs up. Bye for now.